Lecture 4, we study aldehydes and ketones, synthesis of aromatic aldehyde and ketone. Synthesis of aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde. When benzoyl chloride is reduced by palladium and barium sulfate catalyst, benzaldehyde is obtained. So this is known as Rosenman reduction. So benzoyl chloride on benzene COCl is benzoyl chloride. The reaction with hydrogen palladium barium sulfate we are getting benzaldehyde. On benzene ring aldehyde means it is benzaldehyde. So by Rosenman reaction we can prepare benzaldehyde from benzoyl chloride in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Gutterman-Koch reaction. When carbon monoxide and HCl are bubbled through solution of benzene in ether in equal amount, formyl chloride is obtained. Formyl chloride reacts with benzene and benzaldehyde is obtained. So in Gutterman-Koch reaction, carbon monoxide CO plus HCl gives HC double bond O Cl. This is known as formyl chloride. HCOCl is formyl chloride which reacts with benzene. So formyl chloride C double bond O HCl. In the presence of benzene, it reacts to give benzaldehyde. So by Gutterman-Koch reaction, we can prepare benzaldehyde in the presence of carbon monoxide HCl to form formyl chloride, which on reaction with benzene gives benzaldehyde. Next, when phenyl cyanide undergo reduction with stannous chloride and HCl, a complex aldimine complex is formed, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. On benzene ring C triple bond N, that is phenyl cyanide plus HCl SnCl4 is stannous chloride gives C6H5CH double bond NH HCl taken twice SnCl4. This is a complex, a aldimine complex is formed, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. On benzaldehyde CHO, so it is known as benzaldehyde. So we have prepared benzaldehyde, that is aromatic aldehyde, by three methods. Now we will prepare ketone, that is aromatic ketone benzophenone. Example we will prepare here by Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, benzene reacts with carbon tetrachloride in presence of catalyst AlCl3 followed by hydrolysis to give benzophenone. Benzene is there plus Cl, CCl2, Cl. So carbon tetrachloride can be written like this: Cl bond CCl2 bond Cl. So there are chlorine, 4 chlorines are there and carbon. So it is known as carbon tetrachloride. In presence of AlCl3 we will get a product, addition product, which on hydrolysis gives benzophenone. Benzophenone means on either side there is phenyl group and in the middle there is carbonyl group. This is known as benzophenone. So by Friedel-Crafts reaction we can prepare benzophenone in the presence of benzene CCl4 and aluminum chloride. Next, benzylation of benzene. When benzene reacts with benzoyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, benzophenone is obtained. So benzene is there, benzoyl chloride, Cl, C double bond O and phenyl. That means benzoyl group means on benzene C double bond O, that is known as benzoyl, and chlorine is there. So benzoyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, benzophenone is obtained. Benzophenone is also known as diphenyl ketone. On the both sides of carbonyl group there is phenyl group and in the middle there is ketone. So it is known as diphenyl ketone. So by benzylation of benzene we can prepare benzophenone with benzoyl chloride and benzene in the presence of aluminum chloride. Now reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Reaction with HCN. Hydrogen cyanide react with aldehyde and ketone to form cyanohydrins in presence of base. For example, acetaldehyde forms acetaldehyde cyanohydrin and acetone forms acetone cyanohydrin. So in the first example, CH3C double bond OH, this is known as acetaldehyde plus HCN hydrogen cyanide gives acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin means cyanide group and OH group is on carbon along with CH3H. So it is known as cyanohydrin. So if the species, organic species, contains cyanide group and OH group, then they are known as cyanohydrins. So in next example, CH3C double bond O CH3 acetone is there plus HCN hydrogen cyanide gives acetone cyanohydrin. Here also along with two methyl groups there is OH and CN on same carbon. So it is known as acetone cyanohydrin. So when aldehydes and ketone reacts with hydrogen cyanide we get cyanohydrins: acetaldehyde cyanohydrin and acetone cyanohydrin. Next, reaction with ROH. Aldehyde and ketones when react with alcohols form adduct. This is unstable intermediate and further reaction is stable compound diethyl acetal is obtained. So here in the first example, CH3C double bond OH, this is acetaldehyde plus C2H5OH ethyl alcohol in the presence of HCl, we will getting unstable hemiacetal is formed. So on carbon atom CH3H OH and OC2H5 plus C2H5OH. This hemiacetal which is unstable, then which reacts again with HCl to give acetaldehyde diethyl acetal. So here diethyl acetal is formed in the presence of in the place of OH again H is removed and C2H5 is added. So it is diethyl acetal is formed. So acetaldehyde with ethyl alcohol in the presence of HCl gives acetaldehyde diethyl acetal. And then acetone. Acetone plus CH3C double bond O, CH3 is acetone plus C2H5OH ethyl alcohol in the presence of HCl will get hemiacetal which is unstable compound and when plus C2H5OH which again reacts with HCl to give diethyl acetal. So here you are getting CCH3, CH3, OC2H5, OCH2. Acetone diethyl acetal is formed plus H2O. That is acetaldehyde diethyl acetal and it is acetone diethyl acetal. So acetaldehyde and acetone on reaction with alcohols give acetals. Acetaldehyde diethyl acetal and acetone diethyl acetal. Then reaction with sodium bisulfite. When saturated solution of sodium bisulfite in water reacts with aldehyde and ketone, respective bisulfite is formed. So acetaldehyde CH3C double bond OH plus sodium bisulfite NaHSO3. So Na plus NHSO3 minus. Then we are getting acetaldehyde bisulfite. Here again acetone plus sodium bisulfite gives acetone bisulfite. CCH3 OH SO3 Na. Then again benzaldehyde reacts with sodium bisulfite to give benzaldehyde sodium sulfide. So aldehydes and ketones, aromatic aldehydes and ketone when react with sodium bisulfite we will get the respective bisulfite. Acetaldehyde bisulfite, acetone bisulfite and benzaldehyde sodium sulfite is formed. So in this way we are getting the products in the reaction with sodium bisulfite. Thank you.